Hello, so let's discuss in another episode the three kinds of negligence. We have contractual negligence or culpa contractual. We have culpa quiliana or civil negligence or yung tinatawag nating quasi-delict. And then we have also what we call criminal negligence or yung tinatawag nating delict. These are three different kinds of negligence. So when we say culpa contractual, from the word itself, there is a contract, there is a pre-existing obligation. Pero dun sa dalawa, culpa quiliana and culpa criminal, walang pre-existing obligation. Kasi yung isa based dun sa contract. There is negligence based on the contract. So pag sinabi mong there is a pre-existing obligation, negligence is incidental. Okay, kasi nga galing yung negligence dun sa pre-existing obligation or dun sa contract. Okay? While for culpa quiliana and culpa criminal, yung negligence mo is direct, it is substantive and also independent. Independent from a contract. Negligence arises without a contract. Another distinction is with regards to the proof. When we talk about culpa contractual and civil negligence or culpa quiliana, the proof needed there is preponderance of evidence. So yan naman yung quantum of evidence na set for civil actions. But when you talk about delict or culpa criminal, of course, mag-iba din yung quantum of evidence mo, which is proof of guilt beyond reasonable doubt. So yung isang distinction yan. Okay, yung dalawa, civil case, civil actions. Yung isa, criminal action. Next, when we talk about culpa contractual, defense of a good father of a family is not a complete defense. It may only mitigate the damages, but it's not a complete defense. It is a complete defense for culpa quiliana. Okay, but for delict, no, it is not a defense. Now, why? Because in a setup of employer and an employee, yung master-servant rule natin, no? Na the negligence of the employee is also the negligence of the employer. The negligence of the servant is also the negligence of the master. So, hindi defense under delict yung defense of a good father of a family. But for culpa quiliana, yes, it is a defense. For culpa contractual, it is an incomplete defense. No? Sticking with proof for culpa contractual, first you need to prove that there is a contract and there is a breach of contract through negligence. For culpa quiliana, you don't have to prove that there is a contract kasi nga hindi siya based sa contract. However, ang ipoprove lang, the victim or the complainant will prove that there is negligence. So ang ipoprove mo is the existence of negligence itself. Pero dito kasi sa culpa contractual, you need to prove first that there is a contract and there is a breach of contract or negligence on the part of the obligor. For culpa quiliana, the victim needs to prove the negligence of the defendant. Why? Kasi sabi natin kanina, negligence is direct, substantive, and independent. So, you need to show that there is negligence. No, dun sa isa, i-show mo na mayroong contract and that's a valid contract. There is a negligence in the performance of the contract. Okay? For delict naman, of course, as to matter of proof, sabi natin guilt beyond reasonable doubt. So, the accused is entitled to what? To innocence. No? Anong sinasabi dun sa Constitution? The accused is presumed innocent until the contrary is proved. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Since this is a criminal case, unlike the other two, the prosecution has the burden of proving that the accused is criminally negligent. While for the other two, civil case lang. Okay, so yun yung tatlong kinds ng culpa. We have culpa contractual negligence, we have civil negligence, culpa quiliana, and we have criminal negligence. Okay, so those three are different. Culpa contractual is based on negligence in the performance of a contract. Culpa quiliana is based on negligence in itself, no? That is not covered by a contract. Let's say, for example, in a contract of carriage, there is a contract between the driver and the passenger. But with regards to the passenger and the employer of the driver or the operator, walang ganun, walang contract, no? Doon pumapasok yung culpa achilleana. Okay, kaya nga complete defense yung diligence of a good father of a family in culpa achilleana, because if the victim cannot prove the negligence of the employer or the operator, then walang liability for negligence. Okay? And then, criminal negligence, no? Hindi rin contract yung source niya or basis niya, but the commission of a prohibited act, which is yung criminal negligence. Okay? So, yun yung tatlong klase ng culpa or negligence. Okay?